I was just sitting here thinking to myself, a lot of people blame crabs in a barrel mentality. But my question is, why you staying in the barrel? Why the fuck you staying in the barrel? If you know people have these mentalities, accept it and don't even allow even the barrel to exist. I'm telling you, victimhood is real. I'm realizing, like, you be around so many people making excuses that you start to believe the same shit. Make yourself an asset. Make your mindset an asset. Do not create yourself into a victim, no matter what race you are. Stay hardcore with your mindset and always believe the most positive parts about life and in people, and you will receive that back. Cheers.